A recent study conducted by researchers at Thomas Jefferson University has found obesity to be associated with higher rates of prostate cancer screening among all races and ethnicities, and lower rates of cervical cancer screening in mainly white women. The study focused on the role of obesity in cancer screening rates for prostate, cervical, and colorectal cancers across gender and ethnicity. Research has already established that a higher body weight was consistently linked to lower rates of Pap smear use in cervical cancer screening. According to studies, this was most apparent in white women, while black women, mainly in those with high socioeconomic status, displayed an absent or weaker association. Unlike cervical cancer screening, increased prostate cancer screening levels were found to be consistent with greater weight. In the case of 3 out of 4 studies, obese men had a higher chance of receiving a PSA prostate cancer screening test compared with men of normal weight. The researchers state that the findings appear to be consistent among all races and ethnicities. Additional study findings revealed that women with greater weight levels also received less screening for colorectal cancer. Though there was no reference to racial disparities, there were inconsistencies in the link between obesity and colorectal screening in men. The authors conclude, screening behaviors can vary by ethnicity, race, and gender, but more research is needed to create a comprehensive understanding of obesity and cancer screening in race-gender subgroups such as white men, white women, black men, and black women, accounting for the effects of the doctor-patient relationship, access to care, and type of screening test.